Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Kit, two distinct platforms offering unique opportunities for creators. Rumble is primarily a video sharing and monetization platform, providing a space for content creators to upload and earn from their videos. On the other hand, Kit, or Kit.co, is a community-driven platform where creators curate and recommend products they use and love. We'll explore how each platform functions and who stands to benefit most from their features. Rumble excels as a robust video platform, offering creators diverse monetization options. You can earn through ad revenue sharing, content licensing, and even subscriptions, with some creators seeing earnings of $2 to $10 per 1,000 views. Two, it's designed to give creators more control and a fairer revenue split, fostering a community where new content can gain visibility. Rumble also supports live streaming and various account types, including a publisher account where you can earn 90% of the revenue from exclusive content. 5. Kit.co, in contrast, empowers creators to build personalized storefronts. It allows you to curate kits of your favorite products, from tech gadgets to lifestyle items, and share them with your audience. 6. The primary monetization method is through affiliate links, where you earn 100% of the revenue from sales generated through your recommendations. 8. Kit supports major affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, making it an excellent tool for influencers and content creators focused on product endorsements. 8. So, which platform is right for you? If your focus is primarily on creating and monetizing video content, including live streams, Rumble is an excellent choice. However, if you're an influencer or creator who loves recommending products and wants to earn through affiliate sales, Kit.co is your go-to. 8. For a comprehensive creator strategy, consider leveraging both. Use Rumble for your video content and Kit to showcase the products you feature in those videos, maximizing your earning potential across different avenues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.